In this video, I will show you how to take full advantage of your American Express Platinum card by using the annual Lululemon credit. Many cardholders miss out on this free money because they forget to activate the offer. First, log into your American Express mobile app or website and navigate to the Amex Offers and Benefits section. You must scroll down until you see the Lululemon logo and click the button to add the offer to your card. This step is critical because the credit will not apply automatically unless the offer is saved to your account. Once you have activated it, you can shop online or visit a store in person. Just make sure you use your Platinum card for the entire purchase. Usually, the credit is structured as $20 back on a single transaction of $100 or more. After you complete your purchase, you will receive a notification and a statement credit will appear on your account within a few days. It is a great way to save on high-quality workout gear.